You can buy CNFTs off the secondary marketplace, already existing CNFT projects. But what about minting? Personally, minting has been the most profitable way to get huge gains in the CNFT space. But the question is, how do you do this as a complete beginner and someone who knows nothing about Cardano NFTs? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how. Keep watching. What's up, nerds and virgins? It's your boy, APE Crypto, and today I'll be giving you a guide on how to mint CNFT projects and, most importantly, how to find the CNFT projects so you can get in early and get them sweet gains. I'm talking the 5x's, the 10x's, you name it. But before we do that, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, and also like this video, as it helps this video get out to more people like you who are looking to get into the CNFT space. So I'd appreciate that a lot. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT, as I post a ton on there from CNFT news, from CNFT updates on drops, and I also do CNFT giveaways every single day, whether it's ADA giveaway or an NFT giveaway. So follow me there to enter as many giveaways as you like. I'm also approaching 10,000 followers, which I'll be doing a huge giveaway when I hit that milestone, so make sure you follow me on there too, so you can get your hands on that. Alright, now let's dive straight into this video. So first of all, what the hell is minting? If you're a complete beginner, that just sounds like gibberish to you. So, with Cardano NFTs, there's two main ways how to buy them. You can buy them on the secondary marketplace, such as CNFT.io and Token. So CNFT.io is a secondary marketplace, which means when someone has minted an NFT, they sell them on here, second hand, kind of like a thrift shop in a way. So you've bought something, and then you give it to the thrift shop, and they resell it. It's similar to that, just with NFTs. And this is a great way to get in on NFTs. And then the second way of buying CNFTs is through minting. And this is directly through the supplier. So when you mint, you're not buying it off someone else, you're buying it directly off the artist and off the project. And it will usually be at a cut price. So for example, with high stakes NFTs, they are 25 ADA. That is the cost to mint one of these NFTs from this project. And as I said before, this can be highly profitable if you pick the right project. Take Clay Nation for example. I was lucky enough to mint a couple of these at 40 ADA each, and now the current floor price, which is the minimum the most common ones go for, is 750 ADA. So the return on investment on Clay Nation is insane and highly profitable. Some of the rarest ones are going for more than 8 times higher than that price. So minting can be very profitable. So how does this go down? Well, normally when you mint a project, it's on the project's website, and at the time they're getting released, that's when you'd mint them. So for example, with Yummy Universe, they're minting on the 29th of September at 3 PM BST for 40 ADA. So if you'd want to mint Yummy Universe and get a Yummy Universe NFT, you'd head over to their site at 3 PM BST on the 29th of September and find the Buy Now button or something similar. It'll either be on their website, or depending on the project, it could exclusively be on their Discord in the announcement channel at the time that it drops. So say if Yummy Universe were doing a Discord exclusive NFT mint, they would release the payment address in the announcement section. So if you're looking to take Cardano NFT seriously, I'd recommend getting a Discord account now and familiarizing yourself with how everything works so you do not miss a single drop or any news. Discord is a good way of communicating with the team and the community. It is essential as a CNFT investor. So in regards to how to mint, I'll just leave it at that for now. But I do have a complete beginner's guide tutorial that goes into depth of the actual minting process a bit more. This is more to explain how minting works and the logistics of it. But the big question is, and what a lot of people struggle with, is how do you find these mints? How do you know when they're happening? And how do you know when they're happening? A lot of people are running around the CNFT space like a chicken with its head cut off. So let me show you how I find everything I do and how to get in early, which is huge, especially when some projects allow you to get into the pre-sale if you're one of the earliest investors. I've had this with Tiger Society and Stone Age Hoolies, where I've received NFTs before the public have, because I was in on the pre-sale. So my number one tool, how to find CNFT drops and knowing when they are, is WhenCNFT, aka WhenCNFT.com, and I'll leave the link in the description for that. So this is basically a platform that shows you all the upcoming drops for the last week and onwards, and it's a very good tool if you want to find out information on a project. So say if you see this and you like Cardano Kingdom and you want to mint this, you click on it and then you'd see the date that it's coming out, and then you get the Twitter link. And then you can go from there and find out a lot from the community. You can find out a lot about the project. If you want to find out tips and tricks on how to evaluate whether this is a good project, I'll leave a link in the description for you, as I've got a video on that too, as well as the beginner's guide. So if you're a complete beginner and you want tips and tricks that I use, I'd recommend watching them after this video. Another way that you can find good CNFT drops is with CNFT calendar. And it literally gives you a calendar format of all upcoming CNFT projects. So you can look at it like this, or you can do what I prefer and look at a calendar. So considering the day is the 28th of September at the time of recording, you can see Crypto Keens and the Yosemite project are minting today. So if you wanted to find information about them, you'd click on that, and then you'd find their Discord link, their website link, and the time that they're minting, which is all you need. So these tools are excellent, and it gives you good links to find good information about this project, so you can find out whether or not you want to mint them. I do like both sites, but I must say I do like When CNFT a bit more because you can actually see the visual aspect, and then so I get caught when I see a good project with good art, and then I look at the link instead of going through and clicking on all of them without the photos. The photos are a very important part, but nonetheless they're both useful, and I both use these every day. So by using When CNFT and CNFT calendar, you definitely can get in early. And if you're not early, at least you know exactly when they're minting. So you can be ahead of the pack and mint them and sell them to the secondary market instead of buying it off the secondary market for inflated prices. In my mind and from my personal experiences, minting is the most profitable method. And with the majority of the things that I've minted, I've profited a good amount from. Of course, there's no guarantees, but with minting, I believe you increase your chances of success a lot more than buying off the secondary marketplace. Because even if it's not so good of a project, you still might be able to flip it. That's just from my personal experiences. I definitely recommend that you only use my videos and everything that I'm telling you as guidance. You need to make your own decisions when you invest in these NFTs. I may know my shit, but I'm not a god. So please do due diligence and do your own research. Another awesome tool to use to find NFT projects early is using Twitter. Searching for hashtags is a good way to find good projects. And I've actually found many this way. You pop this in the search bar and then you just have a look, see what you find. So after scrolling down for a couple times, I found Avocado Breakfast Club. I think the art looks cool and I'll check them out. I found it, I like it, and I'll do some more research and I could potentially mint these. It's that simple, but it's often slept on. I found Baby Alien Club when they had 10 followers using this, and I found a ton more good projects that I will be showing you in the next coming weeks. So I'd recommend popping in that hashtag in the search bar and looking for yourself and finding a project that you like. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Hopefully now after watching this video, you know what minting is, you know the logistics of minting, and you know how to get in early so you can mint these projects before they head on to the secondary marketplace, which is a great way to make good profit in the CNFT space. If you did enjoy this video and most importantly found it valuable and learned a good skill, please make sure to like this video as it helps my channel a lot. And if you love me that much and you want to impress the leader of the nerds and virgins, feel free to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to not miss a single video. I'm dropping videos every day, and it'd be a shame if you missed out on quality content that could help you find a good NFT or help you gain the tools that you need to find good NFTs. I'm APE Crypto, the leader of nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.